Headspace or Seven Mind, which one is better?
So, which meditation app is better?
We need to compare this Headspace and Seven Mind. So, Headspace is a globally recognized meditation app known for its user friendly interface and comprehensive content library. So, it features session led by co founder Andy Bodhicom, a former Buddhist monk. So for the price of this is that as you can see we can try it for $0, but I think that's just a trial only. So the price for this according to research is that it is 12.99, or let's just round it off with $13 per month. The cons for this is that some users find the interface overly busy and limited free content only, which leads to full access that requires a subscription, which is just like what I said, is $13. For Seven Mind is that it is also a meditation app as well, developed with input from psychologists focusing on mental well being through structured programs. So, for the pricing for this, is that as you can see, you can start your free 7-day trial. According to research, is that it just offers full free version with limited content, which also requires you to give or to wanting into going on a subscription plan. So cons for this is that it has a smaller content library compared to Headspace and less variety in session lengths and topics. So you should choose Headspace if you're looking at a comprehensive meditation app with a vast content library, engaging in interface, and features catering to various aspects of mental well-being. Choose Seven Mind if you prefer structured, psychologist-developed courses that fit into a busy schedule and you're seeking content in multiple languages. So this one is more diverse when it comes to culture and other stuff.